In this video, I will share a huge airdrop of the Planet tokens. Basically, the Planet will be the new payment solution aiming to be a token that can be traded on exchanges around the world. So stay tuned with us if you want to join and if you want to earn some free PLA coins. Entirely easy, no need to do anything. You just have to sign up on the main platform and you have to join the Telegram.
Feel uninvited.
Here comes the main page of the airdrop. It's entirely very easy for you to join the airdrop. Right now, this coin is available on the Bithumb Global, and secondly, it is also available on multiple exchanges. Planet is used as a currency in the case of the transactions and is also used for the major cryptocurrency transactions along with the technology to improve the liquidity using the arbitrage inside and between the exchanges. It has also been used for the prizes and participation tickets for the esports related businesses in Japan, and many people have already started to be interested in it. Here you can see the main form of the airdrop. What you have to do, you only have to fill up the form, because the main purpose of the issuing PLA token is to pursue the diversity of the payment and payment methods on the internet. As we all aware, coin hacking and theft cases have caused a huge loss to many investors. Now here you can see the Telegram group. You must have to join the Telegram group first of all, and in the second step ask for the help in the group, and then you have to enter your Telegram ID, then you have to enter your email address, then again your email address, and then you have to click on the to confirmation screen. When you have to confirm the screen, here you can see the major thing that you will get up to 300 PLA coins very easily. That will cost about $5 to $10, and here you can also see the website. The Planet project launched the Planet token as a project originating in Japan to the world with the aim of building a secure payment method. 1 year and 2 months after starting the Planet project on August 27, 2020, the team announced a virtual banking system that handles the Planet coins and has been developed. The name of the token and coins are separated, and the site that has its own distributed ledger that can cooperate and operate independently is called a coin. Now it's not a token, it has its own blockchain and the fastest blockchain in the entire crypto industry. As per my own prediction about this coin, this will be definitely this coin will be entirely huge, and at least this will be a new Dash coin in the market. So right now you have the chance to grab these coins entirely free. Simply join the Telegram and ask for the help, and you can fill out the form to get 300 PLA coins entirely easy. Thanks a lot.